Hello, I am Erika Escudero Benitez and this is my video Dream Bookstore. In my virtual store, we can find all kind of book, for example, horror book, fiction book, comedy book, and literature book. For example, these are some with their price. There are some book with their price, and they are Gabriel Garcia Marquez. 100 Years of Sunlight. 100 Years of Sunlight. How much is this item? This book costs 55,000 pesos. The Tomb of the Patriarch. How much is that item? It is cost 15,000 pesos. No one writes to the colonel. How much are these items? This book costs 15,000 pesos. Love is the time of the cholera. How much are those items? Those book cost 100,000 pesos. Innocent Erendida and other stories. How much is that item? It is cost 14,000 pesos. And another Hans romantic story like Pride and Prejudice. How much is that item? It is cost 120,000 pesos. Sense and Sensibility. How much is that item? It is cost 45,000 pesos. And last, Persuasion. How much is that item? How much is that item? It is cost 60,000 pesos. In this library you can find the best book and the best price on the market. Remember, when you read, you feel very relaxing and you travel in a wonderful world with your imagination. Thank you.